Hello and welcome to Trading the Trend on Wednesday, the 28th of June 2023. Last week we went short Chicago wheat, and as you can see here on the daily financial bet, we did so for technical reasons. We thought that this blue area, this key resistance area between $7.16 and $7.30 would thwart the upside, but we were incorrect, and the market went up actually above that. And had you done a stop and reverse order above $7.30, you would have not lost any money on this trade, because I then also said that we were going to head up to the 200-day simple moving average if that resistance area wasn't going to hold. But if you didn't stop and reverse on your order, then obviously you would have lost a small amount of money on this trade. It is now coming off again, but this is not the trade we are going to look at for this week. Instead, this week's Trading the Trend will be to go short copper. And the reason being, again, technical. We've had a downtrend in place since January of this year. Then we had a three-legged correction to the upside, taking us to $8,711 just last week. And since then, we have fallen through not just the 55, but also the 200-day simple moving averages here. And therefore, what I would like to do is on any minor bounce to the upside, I'd like to sell copper with a downside target back down around the 8,000 mark. So today's Trading the Trend is to go short copper at around $8,470 with a stop loss at $8,712 and a downside target at around $8,000.